If you've been looking for peaceful and private living or the opportunity for homesteading, this home with water views is what you've been looking for.
Welcome to 6800 Route 102 in Dumfries, a modern 3-bedroom bungalow on just over 10 acres.
The kitchen is beautiful and functional with granite countertops, a professional series oven, and a pantry.
From the dining area, head into the bright living room with vaulted ceilings and a wood stove.
Down the hall, you'll find the home's 3 bedrooms.
Including the primary bedroom with a walk-in closet and ensuite bath.
The main bathroom has a spa-like soaker tub with a rainfall shower.
With one-level living, you'll find laundry and utilities just off the main hall.
The covered veranda is the perfect spot to enjoy sunrises, sunsets, or taking in the water views.
The bunkhouse offers even more possibilities. Currently being used as a home gym, it could be an office, a guest room, whatever you can imagine.
With a detached 2-car garage and the classic red barn, this property offers the space and the flexibility for you to build your dream lifestyle.
Thanks for watching. For more information on 6800 Route 102,
Visit frederictonhomes.com.